Hello everyone, you're welcome back to Bbkelez Kitchen. Thank you so much for clicking to watch today's video. If you're new to my channel, you're welcome. If you're my returning subscriber, you are most welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe if you like what you see on this channel. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you all how to make sweet soya chicken vegetable sauce. And if you want to see how I make it, please stay tuned. Okay, let's dive right into this video. Okay, bye. Over here I'm using hard chicken. I've gone ahead and washed it and cut it to my desirable size off camera. So now I'm seasoning it with some nut powder, ginger, turmeric and garlic paste. If you have not seen the video where I make ginger, turmeric and garlic paste, please I'll leave the link in my description box. So if you're interested to watch or to see that, you can just go and watch it. Okay, once I'm done seasoning, I will go ahead and add some water to it, add my blended chili and onions, then I will give it a stir. Wow, you guys, our sweet soya chicken vegetable sauce is ready to serve. Okay, come with your rice, come with your yam, your beans, whichever one you have. You can equally enjoy this with swallow. Come, let's do justice to this recipe together. You know I'm not stingy, you know that, you know, right? This tastes so delicious. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Please do take this to your kitchen to make and enjoy. You're gonna like it. I'm gonna enjoy mine with rice. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. See you in the next